ATHA stock analysis and ATHA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, you know, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. In Athira Pharma, I can tell you one thing, and that is that it's a bearish market for me. I mean, look, I've been in the market for 5 years, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And unironically, I'm just going to mark up the supply zone here. And that does put me in a very, very good freaking place. From where, you know, only if I see some sort of a double break, only then I'm selling. Now, Mr. Sicko, what about the bullish side? Well, if there's full candle closes above 35 cents, then yeah, sure. But now we aren't there yet. So because it's a supply zone, the sell side is in favor, but it's only for now and not forever. And if you want to learn how to make it 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. More so, I'm really curious if I have previous receipts about this in the Discords, which I don't, and that's fine. So goodbye and enjoy.